Olusi Tenwoyi was a councillor under Awolowo before independence under Awolowo YUP. Lórí àdéhùn ìwà ìgbà, ibẹ̀ ni a ti decide that Bola should now move from Lagos 2017 years ago and move out to the national to leave from state politics to national politics. Wọ́n máa ń tọ̀ yìí láti já wa létí pé àwa Yorùbá la ránṣẹ́ a lè dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà pé he is the first progressive to be president of this country. Gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó kò sí púpọ̀ ní wa àforíṣe fáwọn lọ́wọ́ kò jẹ́ kó ṣe púpọ̀ ní wa táwọn àforíṣe fún MK Abiola. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ pé gbogbo akọ́ni wọn pàtó wọ́n pa dẹ́dẹ́ sí wa lára Abiola ò débẹ̀. Bọ́lá Tinubu tó débẹ̀ sí ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ni àlékún tó wù kó ní ẹni ká fi ṣoṣù ká fi para wọ́n Yorùbá. Afẹ́rakọ̀ ó ṣọdún mẹ́rin ìlú máa ṣọdún mẹ́rin tó kúrò lára ọlọ́run. Tó bá máa ṣe àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn gómìnà wa that they are doing their best. Southwest is one zone tí ò ní security serious problem like other zones. Kò yí ti rárá ọ̀rọ̀ kidnapping ni ọ̀rọ̀ kìíní ni mi ò gbọ́ kí n bá dìde máa wọ̀ máa yọ láàrin ìlú yìí kí n dánwò nípò mi wọ́n ti gbé mi kérékéré ti gbé mi rẹ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ sọ àwọn fọwọ́pọ̀ tó dẹ̀ ní ọlọ́run tó kó bàjẹ́. Nígbà tá a bá ní the first progressive president àfi kí a fi gbogbo ara ṣe iṣẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Ondo pọ̀ ní November àti November 16 lágbára ọlọ́run a ṣe é ṣe àbí olùṣeéṣe lágbára ọlọ́run ayé dàtúwa láti gbọ́dọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run. Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ nǹkan tí Bọ́lá Tinubu bá nílẹ̀ by 29th of May kò sí kọ́pọ̀ tó fi sílẹ̀ mọ́ fún subsidy. Ìyàwó náà bá mi jà ó ní tí bá ti bá àti dábì ó ní èbú tó ń kú mi ó ló ti pọ̀ jù ó ní kí n lọ sí ilé ẹ̀dọ̀ ó ní àwọn tó ń lose election 2023 wọ́n sì rò pé election ṣì wà wọ́n sì ṣe campaign lọ́wọ́ Obi campaign wọ́n campaign mo ní ká bá dákẹ́ if people like us keep quiet then we are being intimidated by those who don't wish Bola Tinubu well as president and we must not join in that nonsense. We must all go all out in spite of anything to stand firm. Ó jẹ́ Yorùbá Adékọ̀bí láàárọ̀ ìgbógbé Adéyínká ó dé fìlà kan mo ní kí ló wà lórí èyí mo ní ní àjọ Yorùbá ṣé Gọ̀bí ò ní ṣe Gọ̀bí yóò fi tì ní lórí ló ṣe kó sá lọ jẹ́ ìfìlà ẹjọ́ we are Yorùbá alórúkọ ọmọlúàbí a ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ sílẹ̀ tọ́ Ajíbọ́lá Pàṣẹ ó sọ Yorùbá yẹn ó sọ pọ́nlọ́pọ́nlọ́ òfin òyìnbó ẹyọ kan sí wọ́n fẹ́ bẹ̀bẹ̀ bísí Àkàndé ìṣe èmi àti níyà nígbà wọn sọ pé ẹni tó yẹ kó jẹ chairman nígbà tó rí ìwọ ọdún 2004. I thank God when it was nurturing APC we should go back to that system of continuous meeting at national caucus, National Executive Council, National Working Committee, and to dovetail to the state caucus must be meeting regularly. Today we have started on another journey. Lágbára Ọlọ́run abáwúre abásọ̀rọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Nígbà tákọ̀dé wà ńbẹ̀, we need to have national caucus regularly. Mo dẹ̀ ti bá president sọ, in fairness, I confess to all of you. There is no time I requested to see the president that he has not given me the audience. On the day I launched my book, 13th of July, because of chief of staff under, na very president o. Alẹ́ ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ ló pè mí kí n máa bọ̀. Mo láti jí lára ọjọ́ kejì. And each time I meet him, I go spend less than 2 hours discussing with him. I want to assure you, I know your feelings. I know gbogbo nǹkan tó ń wà lọ́kàn yín. Mo mọ gbogbo èròǹgbà ọkàn yín. Mo mọ nǹkan tó ń pè yín ọmọ ẹgbẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ní máa ń bá president sọ. Ó dẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún pé president, you are the only president who developed a great network in this country. You are not hostage to what they call owners of Nigeria. You are not hostage to any cabal. You are an experienced person. I can assure you, obìnrin pọ̀jọ́ kan lọ, ẹ̀lágbára ọlọ́run, ààrùn ni a sọ̀rọ̀. So gbogbo fọ́tò tó máa di lọ́kàn yín, ẹ̀fọ́ wọ́lú. Tiwantiwa lélẹ́yìí o. Ìbàdàn máa sọ pé ọmọ wa ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ó ṣe yóò sì ṣe yege torí náà mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní o gbogbo ọkọ̀ tó wù ká ní lọ́kàn. Now the governor of Lagos State has started this and we must not stop this momentum. We must go back to our state, restore the state caucuses, restore regular meeting of our parties, and not only that, àkọ́dẹ́lú àmì nígbà táwọn jẹ́ governor. Hamzat ló bá pé meeting ẹsẹ̀ wọn máa gbé síbẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sílé ẹgbẹ́ yìí oríṣiríṣi ló ń ṣe láwọn state America tọ́ra wa jẹ. There must be more engagement, more consultation, more meetings. Onáàlísì ẹ̀ka àtijọ́ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ àti ẹ̀ka àtijọ́ ẹ̀ka àtijọ́ mọ́ra wọn ni. Nígbà tí mo lóyún tó lọ báyìí àwọn òbí tí mo ti rí for a long time. Inú mi dùn, ayọ̀ mi kú, inú mi dùn gidigidi. Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Mr. Agbọ́n. Thank you very much. Ṣé ò ní bàjẹ́ o? Èkó ò ní bàjẹ́ o? Gbogbo dáadáa tó ń ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àdá o. Ẹ̀yin gómìnà sọ fún mi jẹ́ ń fọwọ́pọ̀ tí South West tó ní peace kò ní bàjẹ́ nígbà tí mo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí. I thank God that Akande and I are still alive at 85. It's a joy for us. He's 6 months older than me. I'm happy with him. Ìyẹn ni ilé iná sọ, a máa ní bàbá, ẹ wá dẹ̀ ní ìwọ́n ní ti for sure. Tó bá rí máa ní bàbá ọmọ kékèké, wọ́n ní ti for sure. Wọ́n rò pé nígbà tó gbé kò ṣe kékeré, èmi náà mọ̀ nǹkan tó lára mi o. Ara mi náà ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, mo dẹ̀ lísìn. So lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí gbogbo yín, ó ní ní dáàbò lé náà máa gbà lẹ́nu.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bàbá Chief Ọ̀ṣọ́bà.
Àní ká máa ṣe ìpàdé, kò sì ti jẹ́ pẹ́lú ìpàdé náà. Ìgbà táwa ń ṣalága àti ẹ̀fọ́ kan ní ìpàdé, ẹgbẹ́ táwa ti ṣe ní ká tó ṣe APC, ìpàdé àdúgbàwà lọ́pọ̀lẹ́sàn, afẹ́ di gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì, ìpàdé ṣáà at all levels. Ìgbà tá a dẹ̀ dáyé APC lẹ̀. Wọ́n tí àwọn tó bá wà ní National Executive Committee pẹ̀lú ọkẹ̀ ìlú àdúrà wà ní òtílẹ̀ ìyàtọ̀ ní ìkan náà wọ́n ti kí mi lẹ́yìn oṣooṣù là ń ṣèpàdé. APC ti wá ìjọba tán tàbí pé kò fẹ́ jọ dáadáa mọ́. Ó lè jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ sí wa wọ́n láti ẹ̀wọ̀n tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Tẹ́ bá wò pé tán fún wa yẹn lọ́wọ́ tí Èkó ẹ̀wọ̀n tí wọ́n ti start from the party. Ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá ń bá wọn wí, àwọn nìkan kọ́ la máa bá wí o. Gbogbo àbáta wà jókòó náà lábára wa lọ. Ìjà sọ fún wọn. Ìjà ni pé wọ́n ṣe. Àwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ mi tó kọ́ ní ìwà.
èmi tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí èmi náà wà national assembly rí èmi náà báwọn kọ òyìnbó mẹ́rin nígbà tá à ń ṣe yẹn bàbá wa ó lọ́wọ́ wà láyé a máa lọ ṣe ìpàdé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ olóògbé alàgbà dẹ́bì ní nílà olóògbé lámadé sínú ní àkọ́bẹ̀ ẹni tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní gbàgede a máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ tá à ń ṣe nílé ìgbìmọ̀ yẹn a máa sọ wọ́n máa tọ́ wa sọ́nà ẹgbẹ́ máa sọ pé ní báyìí ló sọ báyìí ní tá à ń ṣe yẹn ń sìn a kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ ká lọ ṣètò bá a ṣe máa ṣe a sọ gbogbo ayé wọn tó ń pè ní democracy pé òun ni ó dáa a sọ pé òun là ń ṣe gbogbo wa náà jókòó yìí à ń ṣiṣẹ́ democracy o ẹ má jà tanra wa jẹ ní Èkó jẹ́ mọ̀ pé election pọ̀ nísìn election local government lójoojúmọ́ náà àwọn èèyàn mú èèyàn wá bá mi kí n pàṣẹ sí kí n ṣàdúrà sí máa wá béèrè pé ṣé democracy ta ni abẹ́jẹ nìyẹn àwọn àdúgbò kọ̀ọ̀kan ló yẹ kí wọ́n jókòó kọ́ mú yan ó jẹ́ democracy lẹ lọ́wọ́ nínú ẹ̀ ayédèkọ́ nísìnyí wọ́n kọ́ eléyìí pẹ̀lú kùtì agbọ́jọ́ lọ ṣètò láti máa ṣe ìpàdé dáadáa. Bàbá mi ṣe náà jókòó yìí nígbà tó ń wà ní agbájú ẹgbẹ́ awakọ̀ mú South West dání à ń ṣèpàdé nígbà tí sínétọ̀ bàbá wa ní Ayọ̀ Fásánmi a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pàdé yẹn nígbà tẹ́mi náà gba iṣẹ́ South West à ń ṣe mọ́sìn bàbá kẹ̀kẹ́mẹ́kẹ̀ ọdún kan ló ti lọ nísìnyí pàdé tá a ṣe máa ṣe ni nínú ọdún mẹ́rin nítorí náà gbogbo wa ká lọ ṣètò yẹn constitution Nàìjíríà ohun tó wà ní constitution yẹn ní pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ló rẹ̀rù tó yẹ ní kì í ṣe gómìnà Abíọ́dún ló rẹ̀rù Ògùn state kì í ṣe gómìnà Lucky ló rẹ̀rù Ondo state ẹgbẹ́ ní tó wà ní constitution ní ẹgbẹ́ ní kò lè ní gómìnà nìkan lè ní ọlọ́rẹ́kù àbítẹ́gbẹ́ bá gbẹ jáde báwo ni ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ṣe máa wá nǹkan ẹ̀yìn nítorí náà gbogbo ètò wọ̀nyí ló yẹ ká ṣe ẹni.
ó ṣe iṣẹ́ ká fi wọlé a gbọ́dọ̀ gbàgbé bá a ṣe wọlé especially tá a bá rí pé nígbà tá a wọlé especially on the presidential side a ní the kind of number tó yẹ ká ní so a gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe iṣẹ́ tí yóò jẹ́ pé by the time tá a máa tún máa múra fún election mi a ó lè gbó àwọn èèyàn jẹ then secondly mo rí pé a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn bàbá wa ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó jẹ́ bí àgùnbánirọ̀ middle age àti ọ̀dọ́ à ń yọ wọn kúrò nínú ẹgbẹ́ yìí ju àkó wọn mọ́ra bó ṣe yẹ kò sì dá bẹ́ẹ̀ kan fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àti àwọn àgùnbánirọ̀ ní opportunity láti lè gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ wí nítorí pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe wí we do not inherit this land from our parents we are borrowing it from our children.
Agùnbánirọ̀
pé amókun ẹrù ẹ̀wọ́ wọ́n ní òkèlè ń wò ẹ̀wò sàlẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mò ń fà ní pé I'll mix it together. What I'm trying to bring out is that the three major things that have come from our conversation all day today. Number one, is that we need to ensure we secure the future. Number two, even Dr. Fayemi has spoken about how we need to carry the youth along. And number three is ensuring that our president returns to continue the good work that is done and the effort that is taken. But we must be honest with ourselves. The last 2023 election, a lot of young people, in particular our own youth from our region, even worked against our party because they didn't have an understanding of the race, the struggle, the sacrifice, and the history of the Yoruba people and the Yoruba nation. Many of them today will not come and say, oh, I'm Yoruba, but I'm obedient. I'm Yoruba, but I'm this and that. I'm not going to vote for a Yoruba person. Because they didn't understand the sacrifices that people like Baba Akande made, people like Baba Ashoka made, and many of the leaders. But if you look at solving that problem, the key to solving that problem is stronger youth engagement. We are not telling our stories enough. Look at what Adebayo is doing and Ibrahim Chata. They've just done the movie The House of God, Bashorunda, telling the story of what happened in the old Oyo. They've just created another movie on Netflix, Lishabi, that is telling the story of what happened, how the Yorubas of Abeokuta fought against Oyo Ilaris, against our region. So there's a lot more that we need to do, not just to tell the stories of the struggles of the past, but to tell the stories of the last 20-30 years, including the effort that people like Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu made. We need to engage that next generation so that at the next election, we will not have as much issues convincing our own people, our own youth, who are also working against our administration. Thank you.
All of the Southwest governments are here with us today. I must acknowledge the presence of our leaders, Chief Bisi Akande, Chief Oshoba, beg your pardon, Baba Oshoba. You keep looking younger and younger, so don't, it's the reason why we forget to put the appellation. Our leader, Chief Olusi, Baba Olusi, all our royal fathers, of course, Sydney Adebayo is here. But all leaders seated here today, so many here, present, both the men and the women. I must acknowledge.
We're looking for you now.
And the end result of what he is doing, this will remind many of us the late Awolowo, who loved the masses. Many will say Mr. Chief Awolowo was intransigent, he would not listen to this, he would not listen to that. But because he had the conviction, the spirit of conviction of what he believed, and 9 times out of 10, those of us who know Mr. President, he's often right. We will continue to advise him, we will continue to talk to him, we will continue to put heads together. Governance is about everybody, not just about those elected or those in government. Like Chief Oshoba said, Chief Oshoba is not in government, but Chief Oshoba is one of the voices of this government. When it comes to see Mr. President, he speaks the truth to me. And Mr. President is an attentive listener. And he continues to do the bidding of the people, even though the path he has chosen is a path of courage and determination to deliver for the Nigerian people. He has asked me to thank the organizers of this wonderful meeting, the Southwest governors, zonal leaders, and all those who have participated one way or the other in making this a reality. Mr. President will be back home soon. He has gone away on a well-deserved holiday. I say well-deserved because I see Mr. President all the time. And I know the work, the heart, the dedication he puts in every day, 24/7. Many of you that know Mr. President, you know he doesn't have to sleep sometimes till 2, 3, 4 in the morning. It's gotten even worse now that he has a lot on his table. So when a man spends his whole life, dedicates his whole life, 24/7, receiving visitors, talking, working for the country, clearly. Even those of us who are young, we deserve a holiday, a little break. He'll be back, hale and hearty, and ready again to put his hand on the plow and move this country forward. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
APC táwa wà, ẹ wo bí tó gbé wa dé. Sọ pé APC táwa wà o, ẹ wo bí tó gbé wa dé o, ẹ wo bí tó gbé wa dé, ẹ wà níyàn wá. Ilé wí, ẹ wo bí tó gbé wa dé, ẹ wà níyàn wá o. APC táwa wà, ẹ wo bí tó gbé wa dé. Ẹgbẹ́ mo ní máa fi APC ṣe òkèrè. Mo sọ tèmi sọ tiẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ mo ní máa fi APC ṣe òkèrè. Mo máa sọ owó olùgbé tí a bá bá máa ní tiwa. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Máa fi lọ́dẹ àwọn tó. Máa fi rọ́mọ nínú òwò. Máa fi APC ṣe.
Keynote speaker, all of the comments thereafter, all of the suggestions from the floor. A simple suggestion as to have a presidential liaison office. A simple suggestion as to ensure that the youth are further engaged, although this assembly is a delegate assembly. So all of those notes, all of the ideas are being put together